everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be reviewing these Veet instant ready to use waxing strips, and the variant which I have here is for dry skin, which contains aloe vera and lotus flower fragrance, and this costs ₹99 for 8 of the waxing strips that is suitable for half of your arms and both the legs. It claims that it works even on 1.5 mm short hair, which is good. We will see how it works on that. So when you open the box, you get a pamphlet, or you say brochure, and Katrina is their brand ambassador. It contains all the directions how to use it. It is everything mentioned in this leaflet, and here I have the 4 waxing strips. So basically it has 2 in 1, and you need to just pull it off, and you have 2 of your strips in your hand. It also comes with 2 of the finishing wet wipes. So without wasting any time, let's quickly move on to the demo part, and later we will discuss about the product. So before starting off with any waxing procedure, you always need to make sure that the particular area is free of moisture and dirt. So always make sure to wipe the area with a wet wipe. You can also just wash the area with the soap, and after that dry it out with a towel. And now what you need to do is place it between your hand and just rub it for a few seconds. So this has to be done to warm the wax a bit. Now what I'll do is I'll just split them into 2 like this. You can also apply loose powder if you feel your skin is little oily. Since my hairs are going in this direction, so I'll put it like this horizontally, like this, and then press it a bit and then pull it in opposite to my hair direction, like this. And yes, it has done a good job. You can see that. I'm quite impressed. This strip feels actually very sticky, but it works. So after like 2-3 pulls, the waxing strip doesn't work at all. So I'm switching to the next strip now. When it's new, when you use completely new strip, it works very well, but once you pull it like for 2 or 3 times, it doesn't work at all. As you can see that in between it is leaving behind some hair, and it's not coming through the waxing strip. I don't know how it claims that it even takes out the shorter hair, but it's not coming, and I would not be repeating it again because waxing actually makes your skin very sensitive. Every time you pull it off, you tend to take dead skin layers also. So you should not repeat the same process again and again, and it feels too sticky that I don't feel like to complete the procedure. So I'll be quitting it here only, and because I don't want my skin to be pulled off again and again, because that is the reason why I don't wax my hand that often, because it tends to leave wrinkles on my hand. So from my side, it's completely no. I really didn't like the product. This doesn't work that good. I probably feel like just use my hot wax only, heat it a bit and apply a layer and then wax it off instead of using this, because it feels too sticky. It's very hard. I mean, it's just like you have bubble gum on your hand. So from my side, it's completely no to the product. So I'm using the wet wipe, which is provided with the kit itself, and it's just like paper, and I'm using it. It contains oil basically to get rid of all the stickiness. And that was all for today's video. I hope you found this helpful, and if so, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are new. And if you are already a subscriber, thanks for coming again, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care, bye.